It's
us
it's Angela
and Aixia. So we're gonna test out slimes,
with
lip gloss, and nail polish.
yeah, this kind of nail polish. So we're gonna display it right here.
No, this one with glitter.
Yeah, glitter. So and then this. I'm gonna try with all of it.
Yeah, with all of our flavors.
Yeah. So I'm gonna show you this one right here. I'm sorry, guys.
And these.
No, you're supposed to show them by one.
We got a silver one, orange one, pink one,
We got a red one.
and a blue one.
We got a red one and a red one. Oh my god. I'm gonna lay these down. They can't stand up. And then we have this like grayish one.
That's purple.
No, grayish.
Purple gray. I don't know.
And then let me show you these. Then we have cereal,
Silver.
and then right here, and then we have orange right here.
Oh, we got a lighter orange, pink. That's a pink, light pink.
Yeah, that's light pink. And this is
Blue.
blue. No,
Blue, yeah, blue.
yeah, blue.
Show it to them.
I already, no, you
Yeah,
didn't.
okay.
You already did.
Okay, now we're gonna get on to the video.
Yeah, so.
Yo!
How are we gonna do slime though?
What? We forgot to play. Pause it.
Okay, we'll come back right now.
Okay. We're back!
We're back, so we got.
So yeah.
We got plates.
We got plates and a spoon.
And a spoon.
So yeah, we're gonna start.
I'm just gonna put it right here. See the spoon right here.
In the middle.
And right here. Oh, what do we need to make slime?
Alright, this glitter and nail polish.
You know what? I don't
You put the
use,
nail polish, I'll do this.
No, I don't really use the nail polish. Wait, how are we gonna make it though? We don't have nothing inside it. How is it gonna work? Shampoo.
Yeah, go bring it.
And then, okay, shampoo.
Okay, she's gonna go. Bye! Hey,
Okay,
we're back.
So,
And we got shampoo.
yeah, shampoo.
And we're gonna put it to the side over here.
No, right here too.
Just put it over here.
No, right here, because
Okay.
so I can show both of them. Okay, so first we're gonna put it in the shampoo.
Yeah, but first the
Then we
shampoo.
will-
Like,
She's gonna do the mixing. I'm just gonna.
no, I'm gonna put the lip gloss and mixing. You're gonna put one of these and nail polish and that.
Oh, and then she has to do mixing. So how much you telling me to stop?
Like, I'll tell you when to stop. So guys, we're gonna be back when
Yeah.
we're done.
Yeah, bye. Yeah. Okay, come back.
So guys, it didn't work. So we're trying out a different shampoo. So bye. I'm gonna see you guys right now when we're done. Guys, we are done.
Yeah.
We have to add this much.
Wait.
We have to add that much.
Yeah.
And then just mix it.
Yeah, mix it.
I'm gonna mix it.
No, you're gonna add all of these.
Okay.
You're gonna add.
Go, hurry, go.
Okay, I'm mixing. Wait, don't we need water?
No. You're gonna make it worse. Okay, and then there's you're gonna mix them. You're gonna be clumpy. Okay, now we're just going to add the lip gloss. So I'll see you when we're done with the lip gloss
The nail polish.
and nail polish. Bye.
Okay,
So guys, we are back, and you have to add nail polish like that much, and then mix.
Yeah, but.
So we'll
Yeah.
be done.
No,
we-
just let him see this.
Okay, we're gonna let you guys see.
Oh, it's so
Oh my god, it's like pinkish.
It's gonna be mine though.
Okay,
And then we'll make one for you.
okay. It's gonna be rainbow. Oh, we don't have an activator though. Oh yeah, you guys have the armor.
Wait.
Okay, and then we're done, and we're gonna put the lip gloss, and we'll be right back.
Yeah.
So bye.
So put all of them at the same time. Ah!
Oh my god, it's pretty.
Let me see. But how are we gonna get the full color?
slime.
Wait, do you think there's like the colors out here? Yeah, I'm mixing literally. So we're mixing. It was red, which is.
We put a little bit more anyway. What are we putting there? We got this.
Oh yeah, if you guys are school and you know what, say what's up and subscribe to it.
And subscribe and like and comment. You will get a shout out.
Hey,
What?
we're going at the same time.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so we're just gonna stop mixing for right now. Oops. Okay.
Can I put glitter? We're gonna do the map.
The glitter.
We put it up there like this.
I'm gonna dump the whole glitter.
Okay. I'm gonna go like this. Where they could see it.
What?
Angie.
What? Oh, you're so finished. Mine is not.
Hurry. You want to open it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll open it.
There. Oh my god, this is how much glitter we have left. So this is how much glitter we have left. So.
Let's show them.
Shut down, no.
Okay, there. Let's show.
Ooh, this is gonna be pretty. Oh, wait, don't mix. Don't mix, Chata. That's my job.
I'm just gonna poke it.
No, because then it's not gonna.
Let's see if it's pokey.
No, Chata.
It's not pokey at all.
Because we haven't finished with it.
We need to add activator still. You want to go bring it? Oh, it's heavy. We're gonna put it in a cup.
We're like, it's juice.
Let's go now.
We'll come back. Let me pause it. So guys,
we got an activator.
Which is yellow.
Yeah, it's yellow, but it's blue.
Yeah, the color comes out blue.
Okay, there. Mix it.
Okay, mix it. We're just mixing it. Add a little bit more.
That's too much. Now put that.
It turned it into purple.
Okay. We're gonna put a little bit more.
Yeah.
Because it's too liquidy.
Too liquidy. We probably don't have no more. We only have a little bit. Chata, go get a conditioner.
No.
Why?
You can use conditioner.
Why?
We did it fast. Yeah, we did it fast.
Oh, so pretty though. Add it all. Add it all. We need a. Oh
My God, it's so pretty. Show them.
Oh, okay. Let me see this.
No more.
Chata, come scared.
Oh,
I'm scared. Dump it. And my nail polish. She knows I have it. This. Can you look for sure?
I think someone leave already.
Toto, no. You have to help me. If you don't.
I'm gonna get hit.
Last time I almost got grounded because of you. You didn't help. You trained.
Yeah, I'm gonna get grounded too.
But I've been grounded for a week.
Bye.
But not yet. Mama's not coming.
Mix it fast. I need to leave. In 5 seconds.
I'm gonna get myself ready, okay? Hey, don't help me.
I'm not. I'm just gonna get myself ready.
I'm trying.
Okay, I'll fix everything.
Sorry, Mom.
What are you doing?
I'm finally doing push-ups. That's some good